Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Skate error code 346-351-0556. First, go to help.ea.com and make sure the Skate servers aren't down. If they are, you'll just have to wait until they're back up. If the servers are fine, close the EA app completely. Open your task manager, search for EA app and Skate, and then right-click each and click End Task. After that, relaunch the EA app and try running Skate again. Next, open File Explorer. Go to this PC, Local Disk C, Program Files, EA, EA Anti-Cheat, and then open EA Anti-Cheat Installer. Click the drop-down menu, select Skate, then click Repair. Once that's done, restart your computer. If it still says connection lost, open your command prompt as administrator and type ipconfig //flushdns. Press enter, then type netsh winsock reset. Press enter, restart your PC and launch Skate again. And that's it. That should fix the Skate error code. If it worked for you, drop a like and let me know in the comments.